Hello friend, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. Today we sharing with you backyard shade ideas for garden. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Traditional storage shade, a classic wooden shade for storing garden tools, equipment and seasonal items. Garden workshop. Create a workshop for type projects, woodworking or gardening with apple storage and a workbench. Potting shed. A shed designed for gardening talks with a potting bench, storage for pots and gardening supplies and space for seedlings. She shed. Transfer for your shed into a cozy retreat for relaxation, crafting, and hobbies. Decorate it with your personal style. Playhouse. Build a small wooden playhouse for your children, complete with windows, a door, and room for play. Home office. Convert a shed into a home office with a desk, chair, and good lighting for remote work or a creating space. Outdoor bar and entertainment shed. Create a bar, a entertainment area for outdoor gathering with seating, a bar counter, and storage for drinks and supplies. Yoga or meditation retreat. Design and tranquil space for yoga, meditation, and relaxation with comfortable flooring and serene decor. Guest cottage. A large shed can become a guest cottage with a bedroom, small kitchen, and bathroom. Greenhouse shed. Combine a shed with a greenhouse for both storage and ground plants. An outdoor garden shed is a veritable structure that can serve multiple purposes in your garden. Here are some ideas and features for a garden shed. Storage. The primary purpose of a garden shed is often storage for gardening tools, equipment, and supplies. Consider adding shelves, hooks, and rocks to keep your garden item organized. I understand that you like the experience your express video. Support for a video on YouTube by giving it a like. To do so, you can visit the YouTube video you want to like and click the thumbs up icon, the like button below and video. Thank you very much.